this is Tim, and today we're going to build a 15 horsepower and a 20 horsepower motor starter panel. Also, we're going to be experimenting with live streaming because we've had a lot of people ask us if we'll do a Q&A session on PLC programming. So this is kind of an experiment. In fact, right now, I guess I need to lean over this way, but it'll look good when we're doing this. It's kind of an experiment to, how to do this. What time should we do it if we did a live Q&A? If you have any questions like that, or if you have any comments, hey, is it a comment or is it a chat window here? Whatever it is, throw something into there. But I just want to go through, let's go around the table here. So we drill our panels. We have them pre-drilled. We usually will drill them 20 at a time. That way we can quickly pull them off and get your motor starter shipped out. We also do the same thing with our panels. Motor starters. One thing I get a lot of questions about is how to size overloads and motor starters. Well, it's right on the side of it. So if we look right up here, and if we flip it around where you can see it, then we can look right down here. Oh yeah, that's really jacked up. I just realized everything I'm doing is upside down. So I'll have to work on that. So if you look down around here, you see 460 volt. This is good for 40 horsepower. And on the side of this one, you can see that 460 volts, we're good for 20 horsepower. So this pair is good for 20 horsepower. Notice we got a smaller starter right here. And that is because if you look down in its chart, 460 volt, we're going to be good for 15 horsepower. And this one is a 15 horsepower. Also, your torque requirements for your screw terminals are on the side of that. I torque all of my terminals. Now, UL actually only says you have to torque power terminals, but I go ahead and torque them all. Also, go ahead and show this one. You can see on right over here, 460 volt, we're good for 15 horsepower. So this pair is a 20 horsepower setup. This pair is a 15 horsepower setup. We have a start stop button. We also pre-cut and strip all of our wire. I've got a video showing our machine that does that. If you have any applications for it, let me know. I might give you some bandwidth on it. Let's see. Let's just keep going around. We have warning hazard stickers. Be proud. Put your company name on it. I got to remember to put that upside down. Nope. Oh, yeah. I got to work out. I think I was supposed to mirror my display or something. But we got Be proud. Also gives them somewhere to call if they're not sure what's going on with your panel. And we have UL stickers. Now, a lot of people ask me, what's the difference between your UL panels and a regular panel? Absolutely nothing. We put a sticker on every single one of them. If you have somebody that says that they give you a huge discount for not having a UL sticker on the panel, either they're overcharging you for the UL or they're taking shortcuts on the non-UL, because pretty much UL says that this motor starter is good for 20 horsepower. This is good for 20 horsepower. Also, that it is going to protect the motor from burning up. There is nothing about UL that isn't for making a good quality product. Also, I use these screwdrivers here. Now, these are insulated screwdrivers, but that's not why I'm using them, because they're not. This isn't a live panel. These have some of the best quality tips on them. These tips will last a long time, and that is why I use those. Also, there's when I torque drivers, only I'll need for this panel for torque and everything. And we use these bits for a lot of things when we're using our impact. So I do use an impact to run a lot of things down. Also, if you remember from my control panel belt in series, that magnet is the best thing to add to it. Also, don't use this. This looks almost the same as this, but this right here, when you're running down into these terminals, they will scratch up right in here, just that little bit of hex shaft. So find the skinny round ones, they work really well. Also, there's many different sizes of the screw bits. But so I guess I will let's see. Also, with every panel, please use a tape measure. Measure once, cut twice. And if you have to build the same thing 5 times, then make sure you have a template. That is how we build these. In fact, we have videos on this. We have them on YouTube, Instagram, probably all the other social things. You can find videos of us using these. And really, one, it saves you a lot of time. It makes you a nice, repeatable product. And also, if we're always using this, if a customer calls a year later and says, hey, can you build this panel again? Then you can be like, yeah, I've still got that template. So we're going to start there. We're going to go ahead and mount our handles. But these handles here, also you have a gasket. Please use the gasket, guys. And I've already lost the screws. Here we go, screws. I'm not sure what you're supposed to do in live stream. One, I just realized, yeah, I need to scoot on over. Get ourselves into the picture. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, normally I would be fast forwarding through all this, so I don't know which parts should be in the video and which parts should not be in the video. If you got any comments on that, of course, put them down there. We're always excited to hear from you. Then we're going to install our start stops. Here's the basic outside of the panel. Mount these in there, don't lose your hardware. Also, depending on if you have a fiberglass or steel panel, there'll usually be a star washer. This is fiberglass, so it doesn't use it. Okay, and I just noticed the live chat, so hi Jeff and hi Darlin. Didn't know I was going to have an audience. to snap our contactors in. And of course I forgot. That's the good part of not being live is usually I can edit this part out, but I forgot I gotta put this on first. Yeah. Oh, I didn't forget to cut this shaft. There you go. So we'll just keep going with this other one. So I forgot to cut the shaft on that one. So like I said, I have pre-cut wire for all of them. Also, while I didn't show you, I do have a wiring diagram I'm going off of. I'll try to find a place to put links to that. One thing, make sure for your field connections that you put what they're supposed to torque them to on it. Let's see the other bad part about live. I left the gasket on after I told you not to. Well, hello.
Hello.
You're live, by the way.
I couldn't find you.
I'm right here. Everybody say hi to Amber. Jeff's here.
Marty was right after me, but she was.
I guess I should be describing what I'm doing.
You should.
Yes. Like I said, every terminal gets torqued in the panel. It's pretty bad. I know exactly the torque requirements of every screw in this panel. Oops. And these ground terminal blocks, they actually ground through the DIN rail. That'll give them a place to put their motor ground and their incoming power. And I put minimum amounts of wire ties on them because I wanted it easy for people to trace out the wires. I just want enough there to kind of tidy it up a little bit. The UL sticker goes right there. On the outside, we put the danger sticker right here. TW controls right here. And then what I didn't talk about earlier was the nameplate. So on the nameplate, one, it has, who I am, where you can find me. Also, every panel coming out here has a serial number. It has the voltage that should be connected to it, the current and amps, the short circuit current rating, and the drawing number. Now, whether it's UL or not UL, it should go up the sticker. I mean, mainly you want it where an electrician can know everything he needs to know without having to even look in the box. All right, and the last thing we'll do is test it. I cannot reach my test station with this webcam, so hope this video has been helpful. Definitely experimenting live stream. Thank you for the people who actually came and chatted, and maybe next time we'll figure out how to chat while I'm doing this. Till next time.